grading system kasi ng eskwelahan, masyadong limiting. Hindi na nila ine-explore yung whole mind concept. Most of the schools are interested in only developing the left brain, never the right brain. What is the left brain? Anybody remembers? What's left brain?
Analysis. Logic.
Okay. To make it easy to understand, left brain deals with words, numbers, logic, reason, analytical, sequential. What's the right brain? Instead of words, pictures. Instead of numbers, feelings, abstract, arts, creativity, innovation. Left and right. Saan nakakoncentrate in school? Left. Remember, 3 R's? Reading, arithmetic, writing. 3 R's. Ngayon. Again, ito sasabihin ko, it is not important that my kids have high grades in school. It is important that you develop their giftings. Very, very quickly, I did not intend to share this, but you're such a great audience, I'm going to share this with you. Left brain. Anak ko, again, I enrolled him in a university that has a reputation of having higher tuition compared to the Ateneo. Kumuha ng entrepreneurial management sa University of Asia and the Pacific. Mas mahal ang tuition eh. Kumuha ng entrepreneurial. Yun yung ang katumbas niya sa Ateneo, management engineering. Hirap na hirap sa buhay. So, one day, I'm normally very cool. I control my emotions. Nung si Mrs. pumunta sa Amerika, mayroong sinabi sa akin, anak ko, nagwala ako sa loob ng restaurant. Napasigaw ako doon. Tandang-tanda ko pa kung saan ako nakaupo. Kung ano in-order ko, tandang-tanda ko. Sa Super Bowl, sa galit ko. Sabi na, Dad, hindi ako makagraduate. Bakit? Kasi yung isang subject na kinuha ko, baksak ako, prerequisite. Hindi in-offer. Walang summer, so you have to wait again. Paano ka papasa? Drums ka ng drums? Hindi mo iniintindi na ang laki ng ginagastos namin ako. Galit na galit yung mga ambisita. So, bakit? Yung pagkuha ng entrepreneurial management, yung subject niya, is that left brain or right brain? Bakit left? Gathering of statistical data, coming up with a feasibility study, left or right? Left. Hirap na hirap yung bata. Yung pagdadrums. Right. Hindi ko naintindihan. After finishing his college, my son now is working as an events organizer and a communications officer in a company. Yung pag-create ng event, yung pag-communicate, left or right? Right. That is the job. In the evening, he's a professional drummer for a band that is getting to be very, very famous. Yes, that's what he tells me. The band is very famous now. Nakadalawang CD na under Warner Records. They won this year's Asian Music Festival. The name of the band is Taken by Cars. Hindi natin kilala kasi ang fan base niya yung mga high school at early college. Ang mga kilala niya, mga Frank Sinatra. Bakit yung pagka-drums, left or right? Right! My daughter Hannah pumunta sa bahay. Daddy! I don't want to be a loser. I'm a loser. Sabi ko, who thought you're a loser? Why, what happened? Baksak ako! Parents, remember this. Those are defining moments. You better know how to handle the situation. Pag mali ang pag-handle mo, habang buhay na yan. Kay Daddy, who thought you were a loser? Daddy, baksak ako. Bakit? Grades lang yun, no? Kahit na baksak ka, it doesn't mean I love you less. Okay ba yun? Diba? Daddy, baksak ako. Bakit? Anong baksak? Baksak! What do you mean baksak? Sipa. Ano? Sipa? What do you mean sipa? Sipa na ako sa Lasal! Bakit? Kasi kumuha ng aptitude test nung siya ay 4th year high school. At ang resulta ng aptitude, that's why I challenge the schools, you don't give aptitude test during 4th year, that's too late. After taking the aptitude test, nakumbinsi siya, she'll be a good lawyer one day. Lawyer? Sa isip ko, wala naman siya. But I never want to interfere kasi kahit na successful na yung anak, I don't want the child to entertain the thought, tama kaya itong kinuha kong kurso dahil pinilit lang ako. Even when a child makes a mistake, sometimes igagayad mo nang allow them to make the mistakes for their own. Eh nung sinabing magiging lawyer yan, nag-enroll sa Lasal in preparation to taking up law. Pagkatapos, bumili ng mga DVD, yung Law and Order, The Practice. Ang gaganda ng mga lawyer doon eh. So habang hirap na kumukuha ng mga economics, kung ano-ano, na hirap, nag-enroll ng sarili niya without letting us know sa fashion course. Nung nalaman ko, napikon nga ako, how can you handle so many things? Eh kasi fashion, siya yun. Law, hindi. So, sipa sa Lasal, lumipat sa another Lasal. Binib. Because it's the only university that offers fashion merchandising, di ba? Oh, guess what? This is her last year. This is her graduating year. For the past 2 years, she has been a consistent Dean's Lister. Hindi lang yun. 2 Novembers ago, she was voted fashion stylist by Mega Magazine. And Meg Magazine, lagi na-feature. Tuwing may bazaar sa Rockwell, she's always there. She's selling a lot of accessories through her website. And one of her accessories now is worn by one of the stars in that TV series Gossip. What's her name? Siddharth, do you remember? Kelly Rutherford or something. Siya na may suot. Eh bakit? Ang law, left or right? Left. Ang fashion? Right. Youngest ko, Rachel, she speaks English very well. She loves reading. Ngayon kung yung anak mo magaling English, laging kinukuhang MC yan sa mga school functions, di ba? Kaya siya yung nagsusong, nagda-dance, siya yung nag-MC. Dumating sa bahay, Daddy! Oh, what happened? Baksak ako! By the way, I've gotten used to that. Oh, ikaw naman, nagabaksak ako. They are following after her father's footsteps. Ikaw, anong baksak mo? English! English! How can that be? Eh, Daddy, hindi ko naintindihan yung subject, predicate, dissect, direct. You better know how to handle that. Sweetheart, that's alright. Your father has written 11 books. Your father writes for the Philippine Star twice every week. Your father trains to the tune of 300 plus. Your father has a radio program for 15 years. Your father writes for 5 magazines. And your father still does not understand yung dissect anything. Kasi yung subject, dissect, ano yan, left or right? Conceptualization, delivering a message, is that left or right? Right. You get it now? Kaya ba't mo paparusahan yung anak mo? Grades lang yan. The way I train. Did you notice? Am I left or right? Right. Hindi pareho. Yung left, yun yung boring. Everybody read with me. Team members, seekers. I've got news for you. The future belongs to the right. Ang tawag dito, the age of conceptualization. Industrial revolution, the battle cry was quality. Computer age, the battle cry was knowledge and data gathering. Today, the economy of speed, ang usapan dyan, conceptualization. Kasi lahat pantay-pantay na. Lahat ng mga companies na may pera, pare-pareho na yung programa nila. SAP, TQM, Six Sigma, ISO 900, up to 92 million. 9,000. 9,000. Ang wala, yung ability to innovate. Design. That's why I had to kill my website. I killed my website. I resurrected it into a blog site. Pangit pa yung design because it's still under construction. I want cutting edge. I have to have different business cards. I change my business cards, pero kung matanda ang kausap ko, yung regular business cards ko pa rin yung binibigay. Pero pag bata, ang business cards ko, ibang shape, ibang form, design. So if I give you my regular cards, you know the message.